this is a total of $600, and this amount was made by just getting people to click on a specific link. Once they click, you earn money. One question I've always received from my viewers is there a way you can make money by getting people to just click on a link or on your link? Well, I'm here to answer that particular question today, as I'm going to be sharing 3 methods you can earn for just getting people to click on a particular link, and how to even get that particular link at all. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Grow with Joseph, and what we do here is we share tips on how people can generate passive income online, and we also do reviews about platforms that promises to reward users, for doing certain tasks online. This is to enable you know which platforms to trust and those not to trust. We share our experience about these platforms, or the experience we've had from using these platforms, so you know which one is worth your time or not. So if you're interested in this type of content, then you might want to click on that subscribe button and also turn on the post notification. This enables YouTube to notify you whenever we drop a new video. That said, let us dive into today's video by talking on how you can get paid per click. So first of all, in this video, I'm going to be sharing 3 ways you can get paid per click, and I'm going to tell you the most profitable. All right, I've tested 3 ways that pay users for every click. Okay, so when someone clicks on your link, you get paid. I'm going to talk about each of these ways in this video, and I'm going to tell you the most profitable and the one I use to make this amount of money I just showed you. Let's start with method 1. So the first method is by averaging on PTC sites. This is paid to click sites. All right, so these are sites that offers users the opportunity to earn money by doing different tasks like taking surveys, playing games, watching videos, and other stuff like that. This is just to let you know that this is not a really good way to make money online, as the results are not really guaranteed, and the payments are extremely low. But there are sites which are legit and they do pay despite their low payments. Okay, so these sites offer you the opportunity to make money by getting users to click on your referral link. Okay, so aside making money on these platforms by doing surveys and other tasks, you can also make money by referring people. And some of these sites, you must not refer a user. You must not only make money when someone joins the platform through your referral link. Once someone clicks on your referral link, whether they join your platform or not, you get paid a little commission. It is not high, just little commission. And one of the sites or platform I have worked with is Givey. Guys, as you can see, I'm logged in to my Givey account, and to earn money per click, you just need to go to the referral section of this platform. So if I click on the referral section down, and you see I have 2 referral options. The first one is to refer people and earn a commission. So when people join this platform through my referral link, I get a commission, I think, of 10 cents instantly, plus a 20% of lifetime earnings. So once someone joins this platform through my link, I'm going to get 10 cents instantly. Then I'm going to get a recurring commission, or 20% of their lifetime earnings on this platform. And the second option is clicks. This is where the paid per clicks comes in. Now with every click on your referral link, you earn I think is this 1 cent. I'm not even sure it's up to 1 cent. As you can see, the amount, this is the amount to earn per click. So once someone clicks on this link, even if they don't join the platform, they just click on it and click out, you earn this amount. Mind you, this is not a really good way to earn something profitable or something good online, but they do pay, though results are not guaranteed. All right, so imagine earning this amount per click. You just need to calculate how many clicks you need to get. You can only imagine how many clicks you need to get to be able to make $100. You're going to need to have more than 1 million clicks. Yeah, so this is not really a good way to earn money online, but some of these PTC sites do pay. If you're someone that uses social media a lot, whether you're a blogger, you just love being online and writing articles on Facebook, publishing articles on Facebook and maybe Quora, then this second option might be for you. The second way is for you to insert a link in your articles or write-ups you do on social media. And then when someone clicks on it, it takes them to an ad, which after they watch that ad, the platform that gave you that thing will share a particular commission with you. Bloggers do use this particular method a lot as it is meant for bloggers, but most people now who are not even into blogging also leverage on this method. So you must not be a blogger, but if you are a blogger, then this method is for you. Now we have platforms that monetize uh, traffic, social media traffic. This is their job, to monetize social media traffic. So what they do is you sign up on this platform as someone who has traffic on social media, and then they give you a link. And on this link, you just need to get people to click on this link. When they click on this link, it takes them to an ad. So once they watch these ads, the platform earns from their traffic, from this traffic, from them watching these ads, and then they share the commission or the money. You earn a commission from whatever money this platform make from the audience you sent to that particular ad, or from the audience that came through that link. Okay, so if you use Facebook a lot, you do have some sort of audience on Facebook, and you do publish articles, write-ups, you post videos on Facebook, you can use this link as a way of getting support from your audience. It's very fair for you to tell them, this is my I don't know, this is my own link. If you click on it, it is your own way of supporting me. Just click on it and support me. When people click on it, I tell you, once they watch the ad, you're going to be getting impressions on your link, and then these impressions are going to convert into money. This platform will convert it to money and pay you. I've not really used this particular method to make money per click, but I've actually seen a lot of people make money from this method. And one platform most people recommend, and I've seen a lot of people talk about it a lot, is Money Tag. I'll go to Money Tag and show you how the dashboard looks like. So guys, as you can see, I'm now logged into Money Tag, and this is how the user interface looks like. It is very easy to navigate. So if you click on the three hamburger signs here, I want to show you how to get your link. You click on the three hamburger signs and you click on direct link. Okay, you click on direct link, and as you can see here, this is my own link. I haven't started sharing. I just thought of trying this method recently, so I'm still working on it. Okay, but for you who is new, you won't see any link here. You're seeing this link because I've actually added a direct link. So for you to get your own link, just click on add a direct link and your link will be added. So you can just copy this link. This is the link you copy. Once you copy it, this is the link you insert in every of the post you make online. So once people read this post and they click on it, you get a commission. Okay, you get paid. All right, mind you, when signing up on Money Tag, you will be asked to, tell them your social or your traffic source. If you have a website, you put website. If you don't have a website, you can put social media. All right, social media. So you are letting them know that you don't have a website, but you do get traffic from other social media platforms like Facebook, Quora, and the rest. This is how you monetize your clicks. Okay, now let's talk about the last method, which is the most profitable and which has earned a lot of people a lot of money, and that method is none other than affiliate marketing. Now the last method is the most profitable, but most people shy away from it or run away from it because they think it has a lot of work. This is because you feel like you need to sort for clients, get a lot of traffic, and get people to click on your link and actually make a purchase. Yes, but there are strategies to do this. Now, what is affiliate marketing? It is simply you promoting or making money by selling what does not belong to you, making money off what does not belong to you. So this method is very profitable if you actually know how to do it. First of all, you need to sign up for an affiliate marketing platform. This is a platform that provides you with products and offers which you can promote, all right? And once you sign up for this platform, you get your own link which you can share on your social media handles and get people to click on it, make a purchase, and you get a commission. For every purchase that comes through your link, you get a commission, and the vendor gets their own commission. So you can sign up for either Digistem, Stakecut, Expertner, sort out for an offer, something which is really, really valuable. That is to say, something that solves problem, something that you feel like people need a lot. Once you get this offer, you copy your link and you start sharing on your social media handles. You tell them what the offer is and who that particular offer is for. Okay, so once people that have that problem click on your offer to get the solution and they eventually get that solution, you get paid a commission. So for every purchase that comes through your link, you get a commission, and this commission is way higher than all the above two methods I just mentioned. All right, as you find products that pay you from $20 right up to $100 and even more, depending on the type of product or solution you are promoting. If you want to know more about affiliate marketing, you might want to join my WhatsApp group where I share tips and updates on how you can make money online. And if you want to get links to all these apps and sites I just talked about, then they are in my WhatsApp and Telegram group. You will find them there. You join and request for them and you get them. Okay, but you can go to Play Store to get Givi. The app is Givi Videos. You can still get Money Tag on Play Store, and then you can go on your browser to find some of these affiliate marketing platforms. Make sure you do your own research before you venture into any money making hustle online. Before you try an app or a website, make sure you do your own research. Leverage on free tools like Google, Quora, and YouTube. Okay, so you get more knowledge about a particular side hustle. This video is for educational purpose only. I have no intention of influencing your financial decision through this video. Thank you for staying to the end of this video, and see you in a subsequent episode. Bye.